Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional LinkedIn profile using AI. So let's get started. So now here we are in ideogram.ai, and this is the first AI that we're going to use. And from here, you want to make sure that you log in first. So you can register here if you don't have an account using your Google account or your Apple account. And once you're here, you will now need to provide a prompt right here for what will you create. So from here, we are going to go and make me a LinkedIn profile picture in portrait. The model is a man. I want professional lightings right here. And you can even choose the color, and I want the background or the lighting to be teal and orange, maybe something like that. And of course, you can change it up according to your specific wants or needs, but in my case, I'll be satisfied with this one just for the sake of example. And then once you're all done, you want to go and make sure that the aspect ratio is 1:1. This is the best one for the profile picture in LinkedIn. And from here, click on generate. And now it will now generate, and as you can see, we are currently in the slow queue. That is because we are only in the free version. So as you can see right here, it is currently completing. So let's just wait for this one to load. And here it is. As you can see, it has now been completed. And these are the results, as you can see right here. I think this is pretty good right here. This one is pretty decent. It's not good, but it's acceptable, and this one is currently not loading, so I'm gonna click on that. And actually this one is much better. So when we compare it to this one, I think this one is much better here. This one is just bad, and this one is just bad also. So I'm just gonna choose this one. I think this one is the best. So we would need to download this now. So click here on the three dots, and from here click on download, click on JPEG, since we are not able to download this as a PNG because we are only in the free version. And now the next thing is that you want to go into remaker.ai, and from here we are going to do a face swap. So we're going to go click here on face swap now. So basically we are going to upload here in the upload original image the image that we have generated through ideogram. So click on open and upload it, and then from here in the upload swap image, or here in the target face, is your face right here. So it would look like that it's you in the picture. So in my case, I'll just use Steve Rogers as the sample right here, for example. So click on swap, and then from here all we have to do now is just wait for it to load. So now let's wait for the results. And as you can see, this is the result right here of this photo with this Steve Rogers face right here. So this is the method and how you can do this. You can do this with your own face. In this way, you would have a professional looking LinkedIn profile. Now all that's left is to download it and go into your LinkedIn and just basically change your photo right here. So it's very simple. Go here, click on your profile right here, click on your profile again, click on upload photo, and just upload the photo right here. Click on open, and as you can see, we now have our professional looking LinkedIn profile photo. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.